hot water. We are pouring hot water on it. Oh, boy, I some more. Oh, I should. You see our caterer, this is our family caterer. Yeah, if you want orders, this is our family caterer. Yeah, this is my big mommy. Yeah, my big mommy. And this is my small mommy, and this is my authentic mama. I'm going to bro. These are the blended ingredients. I like you in a few. Come on, see. Aku pun ni oh, ya for which AC we mana? Ini makai dulu dia ni bibai oh. Ah, maju kerang baso. Ini msa duku fata osi. Sister Jennifer, obi a sister mwana wa pai, atade a pai sa no. A pai life. Anye ya mere ya papa bi. Hey! Sister, Reverend sister. Hey! What's your Reverend sister? What's your Reverend sister? Mo dey mo mi so by Jennifer be Reverend sister ati. Oh mo be. Be Reverend sisters. Jennifer and I, we are Reverend sisters. Our mothers, they want grandchildren. They want lots of grandchildren. Oh, Charlie. My mother said, you should stop aborting your pregnancies and deliver like the sons of the beach. This is the stew. We are about to make the stew. My mothers are the helpers here. Guys, thank my mothers for me. This is Auntie Comfort. It's a bit you know. This is Auntie Cecilia. Auntie Connie one. The trader, the number one trader, businesswoman. You see, my people? Supply. This woman, she's a businesswoman. Oh. She likes money. Michael is back. I just went to pick him up. Michael is back finally. She didn't call any other. She didn't know. You better say, you want baby muno. I catch him some boy this year. I didn't wear a cousin here. I'm winning the panel. I'm winning the panel. I'm winning the agrono. My people, you see this woman there? Hard work. When we say hard work, in fact, all my mothers, Gary supply. My people, please patronize my mothers. Patronize her. We sell Gary. We do supply in bulk. Sweet Gary. Maka, ombe me microphone omo nyansa. Omo ya de. Pure honey. Original honey.
I will supply you.
Hey, I told you that my mother is a businesswoman. So contact us. I'll put my contacts on the screen so that we want money. My people, we are losing. We want money. And you see my caterer is my mother is a caterer. So tell me what, me what. My caterer one. It's a bit easier. You know, me kwa na mama becha. Oh, you chama me. Now you chama me. Oh, let me out. Now you chama. I'm going to tell you, your grandma. You go further down, baby. Let's look at the fishes. Oh wow, my aunties have done well. They fried the fishes. So this one is for banku and pepper. This one is for the street kids. Well fried. So we are making the stew base for the jollof rice tomorrow morning, God willing. Sing to me, Rada. My compare, my Baba. Michael is back finally. Achupri one, prophetess one, small but mighty. What's that between Ajumi? Achupri na bomba mami, or ya kwanchire mami. Achupri de yo. Messi. Rami, we move time me religion for spaghetti no. Come you. Me tripod, me ring light no. Cord no me hu. Aka me be see ana ehyen ha say. Ring me who me ring light cord no. I was saying me copy cord no. Me who nipa afa me cord no. It's getting late. Oh Charlie, my aunties and my mom they've been cooking all day. Maybe I'm not feeling well cry. Let me do for my pie want to. I should be one. This Mom is baking shit up. The box shit up. Another batch. This is tomato stew base. My auntie is just frying yam there. And we are done with the fresh fried fish. Chicken in our kitchen home. Chicken in our kitchen home. So if you want a caterer, someone you want to cook for your parties, weddings, engagements, outdoor naming ceremonies, contact me. I'll put my number on the screen so that you talk to my auntie. Her meals are delicious. In fact, our whole family. Finally done. This day one. A whole lot. We are done. I see. So this is the chicken broth or stock for the jollof rice. That's our shit up. We are done, finally. I just come through to God. So, see you, God willing, tomorrow morning when we start cooking the jollof rice. Then the following day will be the banku. Yeah. Good night. My mother said every year. Every time she
Baby girl, mommy, you need. Your breakfast. Your boy, right? 3 girls.
Oh, you see my mother's Pressure, wait for pressure. Amen, oh, amen, 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 amen. Amen. This family here, this family is great. Like a man to me. Look at them. Look at the squad. The squad. Hey, now the man always buy free minimum. Ah, am I confused? Hey, Damien. Diamond, Damien, Nana one. No size. Open Wi-Fi. Mini Wi-Fi. Mini data. Why? Maybe upload the video. Mini data. But I'm sorry, Wi-Fi. The children there. How? They don't have any problem. Just thank God for the lives of my aunties. So, they are preparing the jollof. The chicken is here. Yesterday I showed you the fish and the chicken is here. So we are preparing the jollof rice. We'll be bagging them, everything today. We'll be taking them to the orphanage today. Today is 25th December. So Merry Christmas. Afisha pa afia nebani na wo. Afia, you can see I'm tired. My eyes. Hey, you have to call AC. I have to call Nana. I have a lot of food to wish. Happy Merry Christmas, Charlie. You see the man wishing the prayer for oh no, I don't care to say me. I don't care to say like me no. If nobody wishes me, I don't care. No, but there are some people who are very sensitive. If you don't wish them Merry Christmas, it's like, hey, these children, they are when I mean, and let me know that you want better see me. There are some people if you don't wish them Merry Christmas, to be wahala some. But everybody is different. Yeah, everybody is different. AC and I, we think differently. I don't know. That's why I think our friendship is strong. Because we think differently. We don't give a damn. Yeah. Like, it's not the end of the world, Abiba. Everybody's busy, Abiba. Nobody has time. So, my name. Hey, love you. Hey, we are not going to them hot. Hey, we are not. I see you on a hey, now we just look at crack, and I see a crack. Hey, we are making them. If you are not born with them, so Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I'm too tired, but we move. I'm doing this for my orphans and my widows and my street kids. I always think about it. I'm just praying that one day, God will just uplift me higher, more than this. So that I'm not going to disturb you people. Every year when I come here and I ask for funds to help our orphans, our street kids and our widows, no, I feel bad. I don't know why. You have to talk. When Kasasa, you beg and beg. No. I don't like such things. Aye. What about Didi? This is my elder brother. My elder brother, when he was passing out as a police officer, I wasn't around. I went for an interview, a job interview that day. Hey, I didn't even get that job. On that day, I didn't even get that job. I went for that interview at Tema. Hey, I'll never forget that day. I sat there. And when they came late, the employers, they came late and they told me that it's late, so I should go home. And I said, wow, I missed my elder brother's induction ceremony at Koforidua for this. For that. I was so pained. You can see, this is my mom, my dad, and my elder brother when he was inducted into service as a police officer. You can see. And I want you to Fatu, hey, baby, vanish into thin air in Ace's voice. Vanish into thin air. And then you know that you will be able to see me. I have your family. I'm family doing right. The army is I'm going to go. I'm bled. So as I was saying before, Michael interrupted me. Just wish to be blessed so that I'll be doing giveaway on the channel. Cry. A lot of people contact me on this channel. Oh, sometimes I can't help one of them. A lot of, especially orphanages, they contact me a lot. I remember 2 orphanages contacted me. I'm like, wow, God help me, because they watch my videos. God help me, why? So that I can help them. God help me so I can help them. That's one thing I don't like. I can't say no, But this time, if I don't have it, I don't have no idea or that option. I'll say no, because I don't have. And this year, we wanted to visit 2 orphanages. 2. But the Lajan is not a lot. Abiba. We move. Later, we'll talk later. First batch done. What? It's a big. Bye. Don't ma. That's not no order sir. Order in court. Yan ba chom me dey see o. Me dey see o. I want them. Me dey see them. Last batch almost done. Hey, easy. Last batch almost done. We are preparing to bag everything. Then call. I ain't starting bagging. You're about to bag. You're about to bag. You're about to bag.